Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liallure and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey friend, how are you? My name is Leah. I make videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. Child, I'm trying to record this intro and my mom is over there beasting, as you can hear. So I'm so sorry. It's Saturday. I'm recording. I usually don't record on Saturdays for this reason exactly. But you know, Caribbean things. In today's video, this is gonna be a vlog, a maintenance vlog, because I'm going on vacation soon. Your girl's birthday is in like 4 days and I'm going on vacation and I'm really excited about it. But I have a lot of stuff to do. I have like packing to do, a lot of maintenance stuff, so like hair, nails, brows, feet, all of that. So this video is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm really excited about filming this because I watch these all the time on YouTube, just because I like to see people's transformations. Like, I like to see people going from looking like this to looking glam. But also I like packing. I know a lot of people hate packing, but I like packing because I really like organizing things. Right now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Amazon. I got a lot of stuff from Amazon. I got a pretty big box actually. Is my Amazon bag. I'm gonna show you all what I got from Amazon, and then y'all are just gonna watch me pack for a minute. I'm probably not gonna talk. I'm gonna try to, but y'all hear what's going on back there. I'm probably not gonna talk while I pack, but I might. We'll see what is given. Anyway, the first thing that I got is this satin pillowcase. It's like a 2 set of satin pillowcases. It's a queen size. I got this because, you know, sometimes my skin doesn't really go well with whatever they use to wash the sheets at hotels and resorts and stuff like that. So I'm bringing a satin pillowcase because my face is very, very, very sensitive, and the last thing I need on my birthday trip is to break out. So I'm bringing a pillowcase. I'm gonna wash these sometime this week and then I'm gonna pack it away. Okay, so the next thing in here is this set of travel storage, like, they're not storage bins, they're like packing cases, and I'm really excited about this. My boyfriend kind of made fun of me when I told him I was gonna get this, but listen, I really enjoy organizing things, and when I learned that people were using packing cubes in their suitcase, I was like, oh wow, I have to try this. These are just like gray packing cubes in like a bunch of different sizes, and I'm gonna pack my stuff accordingly. So like putting my sleepwear in one, and then my swimwear, you know, underwear, bras, and then like my going out clothes. So I'm excited to see like how much this can actually hold. The next thing that I got is a luggage scale. I wanted one of these because the last time I went to the airport, girl, my luggage was 52 pounds, and thank God the man at the counter let me slide. He was like, you know what, your luggage is overweight, but it's whatever, I'm just gonna let it go. So I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. But let me just put this out there right now. I am an overpacker. I overpack. I'm not gonna lie, this is my truth, okay? I am an overpacker, okay? And I'm not gonna apologize for it, because it's better to be prepared than to like get on vacation and realize you forgot something, or get on vacation and realize that the outfit you had planned, you really don't want to wear it no more. So I don't know, I tend to overpack, and I just want to make sure that my luggage is under 50 pounds. The next thing that I got is this wipes case. It's like this pink case. I don't think I'm gonna put baby wipes in this. I think I'm actually gonna put sanitizing wipes in this, because you know it's still a panty. So I want to use these wipes to like sanitize everywhere I go. The next thing that I got is a carry-on, not a carry-on, it's a luggage cover. I got this because they be beasting at the airport. I'm not gonna lie, they be beasting. Like literally they'll throw your luggage, and by the time you go to the airport with your new luggage, when you get it back, it looks like it's been through the trenches, like it's been through war. This is just film for my my Fuji film camera, like the little Polaroid camera. So this is just extra film. This is a lint roller. It's just a Can you tell I'm really like organized, like super organized? This is a lint roller, and I like it because it's cute and it's pink and it's reusable. But like, look how compact it is. Like, it's not one of those ugly lint rollers that just look like your average. It's pink. It's giving me. It's giving what it's been supposed to give. This thing right here is a case for all of your heating tools. So your crimping machines, your flat iron, your curling iron. This is a pill box. It's a pill organizer for all my vitamins. And the last thing I got is a backpack. So I'm really excited about this backpack because I've had my eye on it for a minute actually. But I didn't get it the last time I purchased the backpack, and I should have, because I'm excited about this backpack because it holds so much stuff in it. Like, according to the reviews and how I've seen it on Amazon and TikTok, like, it holds so much in it. And it's pink, girl. It's... Am I me if I don't buy something that's pink? I don't think so. Me. Ooh. Look how big this bag is. Oh my... Girl. This bag fits so... I could already tell it's gonna fit so much in it. Oh my god, I'm super excited. But I may actually not even need a carry-on. This is exciting. This is very exciting. Anyway, that's the end of my mini haul. Everything that I have here is going to be linked down in the description box down below to get the girls their travel necessities, you feel me? So that's what I have, and then right now I'm about to start packing. This is some of my stuff, well, most of my stuff. In that corner we have my clothes separated in like 4 different piles. So like excursion clothes, what's that about? Like casual clothes to walk around the resort, dinner clothes, and then sleepwear. These have my swimsuits and my underwear in them. This is like accessories. This is my makeup bag, some hair stuff, my toiletries bag. This one definitely doesn't have like everything in it because I need to get my travel size bottle still, and I have to make a Target run. And then those are like my handbags. This is my little excursion backpack, bras and stuff, my little Fujifilm camera, giant sun hat. Yerrrrrr. I'm back. It's another day. I am at Target now with my baby, and we're just picking up some last minute stuff. I'm actually super annoyed, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to tell y'all why, because I feel like I don't want to make myself pre-angry. So just gonna pick up some stuff real quick. I hope this isn't a super long vlog. Child, ain't nothing in this Target. Hey, where's the hygiene section? Should we get that instead? Salon. It is Tuesday and I'm already tired. I have a lot of stuff to do. Right now I am getting a pedicure, and I'm also getting my eyebrows waxed, and I am off to the hair salon, and I'm getting my nails done, and then I'm getting a wax. I'm so tired. Pray for me. So it was a long day. I know I didn't come back. I'm so sorry, but I've literally been gone since like 12 o'clock, and right now it's 8. Like, I've been gone for a minute now, and I'm tired and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. It's just a lot. Okay, so I couldn't come back because I just wanted to be on the go. So I got my hair done. I'm gonna post a clip of what my hair looks like more in the light and stuff. It's so pretty. I love this color. She killed this. Like, this is the first time I ever had it installed, and I was real nervous because I was like, damn, like, what if it's giving OD baby hairs? What if the color is not what I wanted? But she this hair And then after that, I got my nails done. I'm also gonna post everybody's information in the description box and stuff like that, but I got my nails done, and this is the cutest set. Oh my god, look at it. Like, she is so talented and she's so young, and I was like, oh my god, like, I love supporting black girls, especially young black girls, like she beasted on the set. So I'm about to go take a shower and head to my boyfriend's house because he has a surprise for me. So we gonna see what that's given, but yeah, so I'll see y'all later.
Happy birthday.
Shitting me.
Ball is life. Let's go, guys.
Oh my god, baby, please. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to go home. I have to clean my room, finish packing. I have to go to Harlem to get my lashes done. After that, come home, do laundry. Then I have a wax appointment. Then I have another appointment, but it's virtual. And then after that, you come pick me up. And
9 o'clock.
Out of here. We're going to Aruba.
Aruba with a W.
Aruba. Aruba. So right now I'm home doing some like chores. I'm doing laundry. It's in the dryer, and I'm going to finish cleaning my room and pack. I am exhausted. Like I'm so tired. Like if anyone else has like an iron deficiency anemia, let me know what you do about this fatigue, because at every point after 11 a.m. I'm ready to nap. I'm ready to sleep. I'm ready to sleep. So I'm just tired, and I'm about to just clean my room and pack, like I said, and then go get my laundry, and then I have to go to my wax appointment, come back home for a virtual appointment, and then go to Harlem. I live in Brooklyn. If you're from New York, like Harlem is deep, and for my appointment to be at like 8 o'clock, like so I know I've been gone for a minute and I'm sorry, but it's been a long day, a very long day. But I had a good birthday, and I got everything done. So I got my lashes done. I think they're really cute. Like I asked her for something like a little dramatic but not OD. Like I didn't want nothing too beastie because I really don't like the tarantula look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you do, you do. But I thought it was really cute, and I also got my wax today, so I got everything I needed done, and that's a wrap on Cece's maintenance vlog. Like shimmy. Anyway, I will see you guys in the travel vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't play with me.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, baby. All right, bye y'all.